Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and saving your data. Check TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot in the Lenovo BIOS because Windows 11 requires them. Once done, make a full backup or cloud copy so you can recover files if anything goes wrong. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO or use the media creation tool to make a bootable USB. This is the actionable step that moves you off Windows 10. Make sure the USB is 8 GB or larger and written properly. You now boot the Lenovo from the USB and enter BIOS to set USB first in boot order. This forces the installer to run. During setup, choose Upgrade if you want to keep apps and settings, or Custom for a clean install which resolves many compatibility issues. When prompted, pick the target partition, confirm time and language, and enter your product key if required. The installer copies files and restarts a few times. Stay patient and don't power off the laptop during these stages. You finish by installing Lenovo drivers. Use Lenovo Vantage or the support site and run Windows Update to fetch the latest patches. Once set, sign into your Microsoft account, reinstall apps, and restore the data you backed up earlier. If activation or hardware drivers fail, make sure TPM and Secure Boot remain enabled, then retry updates. Alternatively, run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant for a guided repair. If the installer reports incompatibility, recheck BIOS settings and update your firmware before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.